September dump Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you want to know how you can do the add your sticker September dump and you don't know how and where to find it. So in this video you will find out where you can find this September dump Instagram stickers. So you have to go to your Instagram app and then search for Ali and John YTT, and then once you get to my profile you will have to go to September, add yours at highlights, which is here, and now you have to tap until you find the desired sticker. You can check my other viral trends if you like this one for example, or this one. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story, and afterwards I will show you where you can get that YouTube tutorial if you are not able to click on the add yours button. Now you can go to your uploads and choose some photos for your sticker. First I will go with this photo. Now to add a second photo, you have to make this first photo smaller by using your two fingers, and then to add the second one you have to go to stickers from the top of the screen and then scroll down and click on this plus icon, and it will get you once again to your gallery, but I will leave it just with one photo. Now if you are happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So guys, if you are not able to click on the add yours button, you have to go once again on my Ali and John YTT Instagram profile, and then from here you have to go to super viral at highlights, and here you will find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 2 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. Thank you so much for watching guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and if you have some questions you can comment in the comment section down below. Have a great day. Bye bye.